Good morning, students. Exercise 3.6, question number 8. Okay, this is in short. Okay, I have written the details here. Okay, the problem is given in the description box. You can go through that. Let me explain the problem. One girl, okay, by name Inia, she bought apples and bananas. Apples and bananas. Total weight is 50 kg. Apples plus bananas, 50 kg in total for both. Apples plus bananas, 50 kg she has bought. And then she paid 2 times the amount of a banana for an apple. That means cost of an apple is 2 times that of a banana. She paid the 2 times the amount of a banana for an apple. So cost of an apple is 2 times cost of a banana. Okay, she paid like that. And she bought apples for rupees 1800. So total cost for apples is 1800. And for 1200 she bought bananas. We do not know how much kg in apple and how much in bananas, and also we do not know the cost of an apple and the cost of a banana. We do not know. So all these things we have to assume. In assumption we take some letters and find out. But actually this exercise is simplifying rational expressions, okay, adding and simplifying, subtracting and simplifying like that. But I don't understand why they asked this sum. The solving, this is actually solving for x and y. This is actually for solving. Find how many kgs in apples and how many kgs in bananas. Okay, anyway, they have asked, so we have to solve, right? Yes. We do not know how many kgs in each sort. So I take like this. Let the number of kgs in apples be x and in bananas be y. That means x kgs of apples and y kgs of bananas they bought. So here together she bought 50 kg. So together x kg of apple plus y kg of bananas will give you 50. So x plus y is equal to 50. Or if you want to convert this to one variable, we write y is equal to 50 minus x. Y is equal to 50 minus x. I keep this as equation number 1. And then now let's assume for cost of an apple. Let's the cost of an apple be, okay, I take rupees p, and that of a banana be rupees q. I take this. Cost of one apple is rupees p and cost of one banana is rupees q. So what is given? Cost of an apple is 2 times cost of a banana. So cost of an apple here p is equal to 2 times q. P is equal to 2 times q. Let it be. P is equal to 2 times q. Okay, all this information from the problems, and total cost of apples is 1800. See, cost of 1 kg of apple is x. Or sorry, number of kgs in apples is x, and cost of one apple is p. So what is the total cost here? Total cost p into x. Total cost of apples is px, and that is 1800. See, cost of one apple is p, and she bought x kgs of apples. Cost of one apple is p. So x kgs means p into x. The total cost is p into x. So I write here total cost of apples is equal to, she paid 1800. So as per our assumption, the total cost is p into x. Here apples. How many kgs? X kgs. Cost of one apple P. So the total cost is P into X. So P into X is equal to 1800. 1800. For this P, we have this 2Q. P is 2Q here. I keep this as 2. For this P, I am now going to substitute 2Q. So 2Q for P, 2Q. 2Q into X is equal to 1800. I keep this as 3. And total cost of bananas is rupees 1200. Total cost of bananas rupees 1200. Now we come to our assumption. We bought and she bought y kg of bananas, and each banana the cost is Q. For each banana the cost is Q. So y kgs means Qy. Q into Y. Here I read also. The total cost of banana is 1200. So total cost of banana means Qy. Qy is equal to 1200. 1200. Okay. This Q I keep like that. Q into Y. What is Y? Y is 50 minus 6. From here I take this 50 minus 6 and substitute. 1200. If this is equation number 4. So here 2Q into X is 1800. Here Q into 50 minus X is equal to 1200. Q into 50 minus X is equal to 1200. Total cost of bananas. Total cost of banana is 1200, or I have a doubt. Let me check the question again. I'm sorry here. Total cost of bananas is 600. I wrote 1200 there by mistake. 600. So here also bananas 600. Here 600. Here also 600. Total cost of bananas. Here I wrote the information wrong. Okay, 1200 like that I wrote. But she has bought bananas for rupees 600 only. 600. Okay. Suddenly I got that out. Okay. Q into 50 minus X is equal to 600. Now what I am going to do is here. I am going to divide 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So it gives 2qx divided by q into 50 minus x is equal to 1800 divided by 600. 2qx divided by q into 50 minus x. We cancel here. This q and q we can cancel. Here 2 zeros. Then 6 and 18 we cancel here 3 times. So here 1 time. Okay. So 2x into 1 cross multiply. 2x is equal to 2x into 1 is equal to 3 into 50 minus x. So simply you will get this equation. 2x is equal to, in one variable, 2x is equal to 3 into 50 minus x. So 2x is equal to 150 minus 3x. 2x is 150 minus 3x. I take this minus 3x here, it becomes plus 3x. Already a 2x is here, so 5x. 5x is equal to 150. So x is equal to 150 divided by 5 is 30. X is equal to 30. So number of kgs she bought for apples. Number of kgs in apples is 30. So x is 30 means what is y? What is y? Substitute in y. First equation gives y is equal to 50 minus 30. Because y is 50 minus x, so 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Therefore, number of kgs in, okay, like a heading we are giving, number of kgs in apples 30 kg, bananas Very carefully you write all the details, okay? Total number of kgs in apples and bananas, together 50 kg, so x and y, x plus y is 50. From here, we are converting to one variable, y is equal to 50 minus 6, y is equal to 50 minus 6. Then, cost of an apple is 2 times cost of a banana. So, cost of an apple we assume as P and cost of a banana Q, because already x and y we assumed there. So, here P is equal to 2 times Q, P is equal to 2 times Q, let it be. Total cost spent for apples is 1800. So, total cost here is P into x, cost of a banana into number of kgs. So, Px is equal to 1800. Total cost for bananas is 600. Q into y, Q into y. Okay, then for P into x it is 1800. For P we substitute 2Q. P is equal to 2Q. This 2Q is substituted. For Q into y, Q you keep as it is. For y, now 50 minus x. 50 minus x is equal to 600. You divide, you get. Number of kgs in apples is 30 kg and number of kgs in bananas 20 kg. Okay, do it very carefully, you get the answer. Okay, thank you.